and TAVR transcatheter aortic valve replacement, a minimally invasive catheter-based procedure. TAVR is now the first-line therapy for severe aortic stenosis patients who cannot withstand an open heart surgery. The biggest benefit of TAVR is reduced hospital stay and quick recovery after the procedure. In this video, we will learn more about heart, aortic stenosis and possible treatment options. The function of heart is to pump blood. Human heart has 4 chambers, each having its own valve to make sure that the blood flows in right direction. Aortic valve. The valve has leaflets which open and close during each heartbeat. In some heart diseases, the valve does not open or close properly, disrupting the blood flow to the body. This may lead to valve leaking and is called as valvular regurgitation. Another form of valve disease is valvular stenosis that commonly affects the aortic valve. This is also known as aortic stenosis and occurs mostly due to calcium buildup on the leaflets leading to stiffening of the valve. Severity of aortic stenosis. The aortic stenosis severity increases with age and can be classified as mild, moderate and severe. The stiffening prevents the valve from opening fully, which reduces or blocks the blood flow from heart to rest of the body. Patients with
cardiologist, Dr. Tanmay. Dr. Tanmay Yermal, this groundbreaking procedure was undertaken with the aim of restoring and enhancing the patient's quality of life, and it marks a milestone for our medical fraternity. It gives me an immense pride to introduce the brilliant team who are present here. Mr. Parmeshwar Das, Hospital Director of Manipal Hospital, Kharadi. Dr. Tanmay Yermal, our cardiologist. Dr. Sriram Ranade, cardiothoracic surgeon. Dr. Anil Sonavne, critical care intensivist. Dr. Kiran Khanvelkar, cardiac anesthetics. Please give a huge round of applause to all our doctors and to our hospital director. I would now request Dr. Tanmay Yermal.
नमस्ते, मैं डॉक्टर तन्मय यरमल जैन, कंसल्टेंट इंटरवेंशनल कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल खराड़ी में प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ। रिसेंटली हमने एक बहुत ही नया टेक्निक से एक प्रोसीजर या ऑपरेशन सर्जरी किया है, जिसका नाम है बलून असिस्टेड बेसिलिका विद ट्रांसकैथेटर आयोटिक वॉल रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी। ये सर्जरी विदाउट ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी, मिनिमली इन्वेजिव, पैर से एक छोटे होल से की जाती है, जिसमें हम डिसीज्ड आयोटिक वॉल, जो आयोटिक वॉल डिसीज होता है, उसमें हम उस वॉल को टीयर करके वहाँ पे नया वॉल इम्प्लांट करते हैं। हमारे जो पेशेंट थे वो 70 इयर्स ओल्ड पेशेंट थे, जिसको बहुत सारे डिसीजेस थे एसोसिएटेड, और उनके लिए ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी पॉसिबल नहीं था या टू रिस्की था। तो ऐसे पेशेंट में हमने ये नए तरीके से प्रोसीजर किया है, और हमने अपने पेशेंट को नेक्स्ट डे हम अपने पेशेंट को चला पा सके, और चौथे दिन हमने उनको सही सलामत घर पे डिस्चार्ज कर दिया है। सो ये बहुत ही रेयरली किया जाता है इंडिया में एंड थ्रू आउट वर्ल्ड।
I visited 5 to 6 doctors, including Mumbai and as well as Patna, and then over here also in Pune. Other than Tanmay sir, I think we consulted almost 4 to 5 doctors, if I'm not wrong. And then he prescribed the correct medicines, which basically she took for almost 2 years, and then the pain was unbearable. Then we decided to go for the TAVI operations, and then the surgery was, even though very complicated, he did it in a, you can say, very simple manner, not to undermine the expertise of Tanmay sir. And then I think he was fine, she was fine from Wednesday onwards. We can see the progress. And thank you everyone, other than Tanmay sir also, including Anik sir and everyone, that you all took care of my mother so well that now we can go with a happy face to go. So thank you everyone.
बहुत हार्ट में अभी पेन था, डर था, तब मैं तन्मय सर गई। तो तन्मय सर हमको देखते ही लगा कि अच्छा डॉक्टर है, तब एकदम बेटा माँ ऐसा हमको ट्रीटमेंट किया। और हमको 2 साल रखा दवा पर। जब दर्द हमको धीरे धीरे हुआ तब जाके फिर लास्ट में ऑपरेशन किया। अभी ऑपरेशन हुआ है मंगल को 5 तारीख को। हमको लगता नहीं है कि ऑपरेशन हुआ है। हम मंगल को ऑपरेशन हुआ, हम बुध से अपने सपोर्टिव की सब जाने लगे, चलने फिरने लगे, कोई तकलीफ नहीं। सब चीज हमको बहुत अच्छा से हुआ।